We are all only diamonds in the rough, so don't let these lies dictate who you love, cause the waters will rise, for the rains are sure to come, and on that day we'll marvel at what we've become. Until then, yeah, we got lost in our good fortune, until our very souls became forfeit. Our minds are now tortured, cause we put our faith in things that were worth this, yeah. We forgot how to feel, turn a blind eye as the innocent were killed. Dissociation became on the shield, cause we couldn't bear the weight of this world that we have built, yeah. Most days I feel haunted by the ghosts of those whose demise I could've stopped if I gave a damn about the suffering. But I'm too busy with my own damn recovery. I'm too busy trying to fall in love with me. I'm so jaded, I don't give the world the love it needs. I'm unmoved by my sisters and my brothers' needs, made a hypocrite by the words of love I preach. We are all only diamonds in the rough, so don't let these lies dictate who you love, cause the waters will rise, for the rains are sure to come, and on that day we'll marvel at what we've become. Until then, we'll dance to dusty feet. I'll be too far gone to put your trust in me. All this broken glass bound to cut our feet, but we'll dance all the same till the blood runs free, yeah. We'll dance to dusty feet. I'll be too far gone to put your trust in me. All this broken glass bound to cut our feet, but we'll dance all the same till the blood runs free, yeah. And this ain't a fucking christening, but if there is a God, I pray that she is listening. If there is a God, I hope that he's forgiven me for squandering all the blessings that were given me, yeah. And